Hello everybody, welcome to How to Set Pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to edit photos in Google Photos on Google Pixel 8. So basically open up your Google Photos, and to edit any photo open it up and click on edit button right here. And as you can see now, you can enhance it, turn on the dynamic, turn on the IE enhance, so something like this. You can crop it, you can mirror it, or turn it sideways. In actions you have a crop, magic eraser, unblur, move, best take, portrait blur, pop, sharpen and denoise. Here you can mark up it with a pen, highlighter or just a text. So something like this. You can turn on the filters. So like this. Sky styles, vivid, luminous, radiant, Ember, Airy, Afterglow, Stormy. You can adjust the lighting, ultra HDR, portrait light, brightness, tone, contrast, black point, white point, highlights, shadows and vignette. You can adjust the color, saturation, warmth, tint, skin tone, blue tone. And basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.